Imagine you've made a terrible mistake and fallen into a black hole. Your final moment will be over in a nanosecond. What happens in that fleeting instant? Can any part of you survive? The answer is more horrifying than you think. You've slipped past the event horizon, the point of no return. Here, space-time itself is falling into the black hole's center. It's like going over a cosmic waterfall. There's only one way to go down. For observers, you'd seem to freeze at the edge forever. But for you, crossing into a supermassive black hole might feel eerily calm. You wouldn't feel a thing as you drift past the boundary. But that piece is a trick. The laws of physics have just signed your death warrant. Before we get to that final nanosecond, if you love exploring cosmic mysteries like this, hit that subscribe button to join us for more trips into the unknown. Your final moment has arrived. 1 nanosecond on the clock. Instantly, your body is subjected to extreme tidal forces. The gravity on your feet becomes millions of times stronger than on your head, stretching you apart in a process called spaghettification. This isn't a gentle pull, it's a violent shredding. Simultaneously, immense forces crush you from the sides until you're as thin as a single atom. As you're being stretched and squeezed, you're also incinerated by lethal radiation. Within a single nanosecond, you are stretched, crushed, and vaporized. Your brain's electrical signals shut down instantly. There's no time to think or feel, only disintegration. So, to be clear, can you survive for 1 nanosecond? The answer is a definite no. The destruction is instantaneous. Fundamental forces of physics ripping you apart at an atomic level. Everything that falls in is headed for the singularity, a point of infinite density where physics breaks down. Inside the event horizon, all paths lead there. It's not a place you go to. It's an event in your future that is absolutely inevitable. While your body is gone in a flash, a fascinating question remains. What happens to the information that made you you? General relativity suggests it's erased forever. But quantum mechanics insists information can never be lost. This is the black hole information paradox, one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in science. So while you're physically annihilated, the story of your atoms might become part of a cosmic puzzle. What do you think happens to that information? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.